In the IELTS writing test, 25% of your marks are for coherence and cohesion. And as the name suggests, your score for coherence and cohesion depends on two things. First, it depends on your use of cohesive devices. For example, conjunctions like and, so and because that connects ideas within the sentences, and also your use of discourse markers or linkers like however, first and, on the other hand, that show the relationship between the sentences. But your score for coherence and cohesion also depends on how coherent your writing is. In other words, how relevant and appropriate your ideas are, and also whether your ideas are logically organized and sequenced. And the key to getting a good score for coherence in your IELTS writing test is really planning. If you take some time at the start of the test to analyze the questions and to plan your answers, this will help to ensure that all your ideas are relevant and that your answer is logically organized. So, in short, to get a good score for coherence and cohesion in the IELTS writing test, it's not enough just to use lots of linking words. You also need to ensure that that the ideas that you are linking are relevant and logically sequenced. Thank you. Good luck.